So here we have the Ford Fiesta automatic on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot, and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from its exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now.
Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, coolant temperature gauge, and it will show you what gear this car is currently in. Up in that far top left-hand corner, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 2,095. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section as well. You can change the information that's displayed there by using a button on the steering wheel for various different bits of information and menus, as you can see. And eventually that will take you back round to the beginning again. And those buttons are just here. We also have phone and stereo controls beneath that. The stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter. This car is also able to maintain its own safe distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down accordingly by hitting that button. And we've got a video that shows how that works on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So at the main menu here, you can see we have satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on both our website and also on our YouTube channel. We've got our DAB radio that you can see just there, but we've also got AM, FM as well, and you can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. On top of that, this car's got 2 separate USB inputs, so you can plug devices into either or both of those, including your smartphone. And to pair your phone,
search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen and also on your phone screen as well. Working our way down, we've got the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be directed within the car. This button turns the air conditioning off or back on again. At the bottom here, you've got heated driver seat and heated passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings each, a heated steering wheel as well as a heated front screen. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket and one of the 2 USB inputs that I mentioned. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off, and you can turn off the traction control as well.
All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.